Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a boxing of teamcoach 2022, and without further ado, let's get into it. But before we get into this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And just want to do a bit of a little mail unboxing first. So I received this from Dave at Store Hard Collectibles, so thank you Dave for this. We did it trade back, must have been a couple of weeks ago. And he's written a little note which got, "Thanks so much for the trade, I hope you enjoy your new cards." Cheers, Dave. So thank you Dave again for these cards, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. So what we have here, so we have a silver card, then we have Clayton Oliver Star Powers, Jack McRae Star Powers, Isaiah Pickett Star Powers, Yara Simpson Star Powers, and Dustin Martin Star Powers, and he also gave me this card craft as well. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Now, I received this in the mail today. If I could get into the box, that would be really helpful. Here we go, y'all. I really hope we can pull something in out of the box, like the old colour craft or something. There we go. Yes, I ordered this last week and it came today. I would have done it a bit earlier, but there we go. Let's just get straight into it. So you guys might have saw on my Instagram post last week that I bought a Harry McKay gold card. I was so happy with that. So we got marked by Nelvis, Taylor Water, and the best and fairest of Josh Kelly. I'll put the special cards here, and then Dylan Rhymes, Tom Barras, Tom Victoria, Matt Orr, Isaac Heaney. It'd be really nice to get a good card out that I don't have, and I've been pulling out cards that I've already got. So we got Jack Viney, Nick Haynes, and a card craft of Connor Rosie. And that's all for that one. Or I'm hoping we can pull out a trophy wild card. I've pulled out a normal one, but no gold one yet. So Sam Collins, Dylan Shield, and the Star Powers of Isaac Rain cards. I already got that one, so that would be up for trade. And then so far I haven't got anything yet. So we got Stephen Bay, Michael Walters, and another Star Powers of Brandon Parfit. I already got that one as well, so that one would be up for trade as well. And then nothing too special. Let's see what we get in this one. So we got Kane Lambert, Alicia Eva, and a card craft of Luke Davies. And then nothing. I'm hoping we can pull something really good out. Sorry guys, I'm putting my lunch as well, so excuse me while that's happening. Sorry about that. onto this packet. So our steel side bottom Charlotte Cameron and another star power from Rory Lane. Side bottom literally Mark Baldivis, so Darcy Benting. I'm feeling pretty good about this box, but we'll see. So we got Caitlin Brinsley, Erin Phillips, and a blank canvas of James Sicily. And nothing too special. So we got Tom Limbatore, Matt Sabiner, and the High Flyers, St Kilda. I've already got that one, so that will be up for trade as well. So far, not looking too good at the moment, but that might all change. So we got Hunter Clark, Jack Darling, and the star powers of Tim Membry. Come on, teamcoach, give me something in, please. So we got Marcus Bontempelli, Jaden Lambner, and the High Flyers of Port Adelaide. And the normal common. Really hope we can pull something in on camera. So we got Revolt, Aaliyah, and the star powers of Toby Green. And nothing too special. I might take these out, it will make it easier for me to do that. Let's just do that quickly. So the only cards I have not pulled out is an old coloured scarf and an old smoky wild card. So hopefully that'll change, but you never know. Some of them are stuck in the bottom of this. These ones don't want to come out. There you go. Okay. Let's see what these packs deliver. Really hoping it's something. Nick Hahn, Jack McRae, and we have our first odd box of Isaac Rainey. This is a normal, nothing too special. All these packets are falling down. I'll just put them there. So our names are Jack Steele and a card craft of N King number 3. And just the normal common. Let's do these ones. Come on, teamcoach. So we got Jake Lloyd, Ben McAvoy, and we have a canvas of Jack Henry. And then there's a Boreal common. So we got Toby the canvas, Maurice Lane, and a odd box of Andrew McRae. And this is the normal one. Sorry if I sound a bit sniffly, I've got a bit of hay fever today. So we've got Yaden Short, Clayton Oliver, and a Best and Fairest of Rory Lane. I think I might have that one, so that won't be up for trade. And that's all we have. So if you guys want any trades, message me on Instagram at 20card21, number underscore. And I'll be happy to do trades with you guys. So we got Harris Andrews, Luke Jackson, Nathan Hopper, and Andrew McRath Hardcraft. Now I just get 3 silvers in that pack. I think this might only get 2, so we have Tom the Hong, Harry Himmelberg, and a odd box of NT, and that's the spot a 1. So we've got a few more packs to go. So we've got Toby Green, Katie Brendan, and the High Flyers of Richmond. Not sure if I got that one. And this the Common. Let's go this one. So we got Alex Keith, Travis White, and the Star Powers of Sack Butters. I've already got this one, so there's another card up for trade. Come on, give me something in. I think my luck might have run out. Yara Bells, Jordan the Yowie, and the Jack McRae Star Power. And then nothing too special. So we got Darcy Moore, Ollie Warren, and a Lance Franklin canvas. And this is common. Surely we are going to get something good. So we got Yates, Lever, Nick Larkley, and a Harrison Jones canvas card. Any other canvas cards today? I'm finding the teamcoach packets a lot easier to open than select. So we got Oscar, Chloe Molloy, literally we got another pack with 3 silvers, and the Star Powers with Brady Grundy, and nothing too special. I think my luck probably ran out with all the ones I was getting. So we got Yara Simpson, Oliver Florence, and we have a Messon Ferris, Clayton Oliver. I've already got that one, so that one's up for trade as well. Just a common. So I'm hoping to do another select packets as well on here. I'm not sure when they arrive. So we got Brandon Parfit, Nick Nui. Oh, and we have our team Star Powers of Harry McHigh. I'll probably have a lot of Harry McHighs this week, so here we go, our first box hit. I'll put that there. As I mentioned before, I pulled out his old wild cards out of nowhere. So we got Yates Watering, Yates Danaher, and a card craft of Jack Billings. And this is the common. Can we get a gold Meston Ferris and a wild card? Who knows? So we got Lance Franklin, Jack Springsaw, and an odd box of Caleb Sarong. And that's just the normal one. So we've got only a few packs left, not looking good, but so we got Jack Sinclair, Josh Dunkley, and a Marcus Bontempelli Messon Ferris. I already got that one as well. getting a lot of double ups here, so we got our first box hit, so we got Josh Kennedy, Leon Prestia, and we have it Tom Horton Star Power. I'll put that there. And then just the common. Let's see what these last packs do for us. So we got Ben King, Yale Sandwood, and a high five of Brisbane Lions. I think I got that one as well, so that one would be up straight. And just then. So guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 5 packs left. Let's see what we can do with these. I'm praying now. These ones want to come out. So we've got Taylor Adams, Jet Sable, and a card graph of Lottie Neal. And this common, just make them a sign. This one looks a bit interesting. So we got Harry Seabird, Amy McDonald, and a Western Ferris of St Kilda. And it's them. So guys, we got 3 packs left. So we got Madison Burton, Isaac Smith, and the star power of Cam Rayner. And this common. So second last packet. So we got Nathan Wilson, Anthony McDonald from Woody, and we have Jack Martin star power. I'm hoping we can pull out a wild card. I'm not sure there was one in this box. So we got Ellie Anderson, Patrick Reeves. Oh, here it is. Okay. Lucky last packet we have. That's a wild card. Very nice. Harry Himmelberg, Darcy Harris, Daniel Ritz. And the team we go guys, these are the 8 team we pulled out. I think I might have that one already, not sure. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. That'd be really appreciated. And I've just hit 53 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. And thank you guys for watching.